Welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial. So this is the first video. In this video we're going to look at our interface here. So when you'll open your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, you'll see a regular spreadsheet. You'll see an interface like this one, and here you can see that there are some tabs here: file, home, insert, here's insert, then page layout, then formulas, then data, then review, and then view. So each of these tabs contains some ribbons, and this section is actually called the ribbons. So there are different ribbons here: clipboard, font, alignment, number, etc, etc. And then insert has different ribbons as well, then page layout has different ribbons as well. And then here in the font ribbon, I'll just show one. In the font ribbon you can see that there's a button here on the corner, and every ribbon has a similar button there. If you click there, and there you go, then you'll see some other options that are not visible here. So if you want, for example, this is the alignments ribbon. Now if you want even more options, you can click here, and then you can adjust the way you like it. And then here we have the cells. So these are the columns. The columns are represented with alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, and so on. And here these are the rows. The rows are represented with numbers, and the intersection of a column and a row is called a cell. So if I say click on this cell, then this cell has a name. So this cell is F8. okay, so first you'll say the column name and then the row name, and then this cell is D6. So I hope you got the idea. So these are the things, and then there are actually 64k rows in a single spreadsheet and 256 columns. Thus there are total 16 million cells in a single spreadsheet. Okay, there are 16 million cells here. You keep going down. So you basically don't need 16 million cells, but if you run out of 16 million cells, you can just open another spreadsheet by clicking on this plus button. So this was our sheet 1, this is our sheet 2. Then you can open another one, that will be sheet 3. You can also change the name of the sheets. For example, if you just right click here and then you just click on rename and then name it, let's call it first sheet, and hit enter, and that's it. That's how you will change your sheet names. So that was it for this introductory video. We'll look at a few more things from the next video. Thank you very much for watching.